Hey everybody, welcome back to the Rooted Coop channel. Today we have an exciting project lined up for you. We're going to be making Castile soap with a beautiful pour technique featuring some stunning mica colors and the delightful scents of patchouli and lavender essential oil. We're going to be using 4 different mica colors today, 2 gorgeous shades of purple, a lovely pink, and a rich brown. These will create a fun and interesting bar of soap that not only looks beautiful, but also smells amazing. I'm also thrilled to be partnering with Nature Packaged for this video. They have provided the essential oils that we will be using today, and I will be testing them out and giving you my honest review. Nature Packaged offers farm direct transparency, allowing you to know exactly where their products are sourced from. They're, they use a third party to verify the quality of their ingredients, ensuring that you get the very best possible product. The oils from Nature Packaged are not only beautifully fragranced, but also beautifully packaged. The patchouli oil is sourced from a farm in Indonesia, and it boasts incredible skin benefits such as boosting energy, detoxifying the body, deterring insects, promoting youthful skin, strengthening hair, and encouraging a restful sleep. The lavender oil that we will be using comes all the way from Bulgaria. It is known to boost mental health, calm the skin, strengthen and elongate hair, relieve headache and discomfort, promote relaxation, and rest. So now let's get started on our soap making adventure. We're going to begin by preparing our oil, and since this is a Castile soap, we had all of our olive oil measured up. We have just added our prepared lye water solution to our oils. I'm just gently giving these a stir to help incorporate with the spatula. Remember to always follow the safety guidelines when working with lye by using your gloves and goggles. I'm going to use the stick blender to bring this to a light trace. And since we're going for our different colors of mica, we're going to be just coming to a light trace. We're going to add all of the essential oil that we need in this recipe. And then we're going to split this into 4 separate batches and color each batch a different color. Here are the essential oils that we will be using today. This lovely lavender and this wonderful patchouli. I'm going to add the essential oil to my soap batter. Add it in the patchouli first. And then next I will be adding in the lavender essential oil. And I just pop the top off of those to make pouring them in a whole lot faster than trying to do it 1 drop at a time. And then I will come in with the stick blender and I will get it all blended back together just to make sure it's incorporated. And then I will be splitting the batch into 4 containers and adding the mica powder to each of those containers to make the colors that we're needing. Whenever I'm going to be splitting a batch like this, I like to add my essential oil or fragrance oil before I split it, and that way I can ensure that I have the correct usage amount for my recipe and I'm not having to measure the soap batter as precisely. So this way I can make sure that I have the correct amount of either essential oil or fragrance oil in my soap batter. And so now I can just kind of eyeball and just guess at about how much soap batter I need to put in each one of these containers. Just going to be scraping the rest of the soap batter out of the containers to get it all into the molds. Just going to give the soap mold a little tap tap to make sure there's no air bubbles in there. Then I'm just going to give it a little swirl. And I'm going to do a little bit of decoration on the top here just to give it a little extra. The soap and these essential oils performed beautifully. I didn't have any trouble with the acceleration or anything. It just all worked so wonderful together. So I always love it whenever the soap cooperates like that. And here's what it looks like. We're going to give it 24 hours. And then we will be coming back for the cut. And here it is on the next day. Absolutely beautiful. I love how this turned out. The patchouli and lavender essential oil not only provide a wonderful fragrance, but also offer numerous benefits for your skin and overall well-being. I just want to say that the essential oils from Nature Package smelled wonderful, knowing where they were sourced from and all of the information that they offer on their website was wonderful to know. So that way you know exactly where your stuff's coming from, how it's sourced. But this soap turned out absolutely gorgeous. So I want to thank Nature Packaged for partnering with us and allowing us to use their product. And we're getting ready to do the cut. And here's what our cut bar looks like. It's our finished Castile soap bars. They look absolutely beautiful. They smell fantastic thanks to the high quality essential oils from Nature Packaged. Just love how these swirls come together, and this color palette was absolutely stunning. Being that this is a Castile soap, it is a little on the soft side. So with some cure time, that will harden up and they will be wonderful bars. Here's what the rest of the bars look like. Thank you for joining me today on the Rooted Coop channel. If you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And a big thank you to Nature Packaged for their amazing essential oils. I will leave a discount code below so you can check them out and save a little money. Until next time, happy soap making. Remember, stay clean, stay creative, and stay rooted. Bye for now, y'all.